Hi, we're going to talk about Carl Sagan's pale blue dot. So what were some of Sagan's main points? He insists that our planet is barely even a dot in the big picture of the universe. He is questioning the ability of human beings to wage trivial and meaningless efforts, when every pursuit is a fraction of a drop in the infinite universe. So what does his video mean to me? Carl Sagan shares with us a fairly unbiased truth about the planet we call home. In relation to the vast, unending universe, Earth is a very temporary speck of dust. This video is a reminder to humanity that the universe is not grounded in our being, that we are a small happening in the constant chaotic churning of everything. Sagan focuses on the fact that every human being ever has lived on this planet. Yet we are living so deeply within our egotistical consciousness that we ignore that we are truly insignificant by comparison. Sagan calls this our imagined self-importance. Why would a video like this be included in their course? Well, those studying geology should have the understanding that the universe is not working within consciousness, and that any event, regardless of its outcome, receives no dictation. Are we in the US and the world following his advice? We are absolutely not following his advice. It is evident that humanity is more concerned over its politics and economics than cherishing or preserving its earth. In an unwillingness to consider our own well-being, humans continue to consume resources in unsustainable amounts. Our waste products are often polluting our atmosphere and bodies of water. So no, we have not followed his advice in this regard.